So you have a Google Pixel Watch 3 and you have an issue where the screen is frozen or unresponsive, or maybe you're not able to restart or power off. Maybe you try to tap on power off or restart and it doesn't do nothing. So obviously this one's fixed, but let's pretend I have a frozen screen here, okay? So what we can do here is we can just restart it using these two buttons right here, okay? So it's this button and the crown. So pretend my screen here is frozen. These two buttons, ready, set, go. Press, oops, let me do it again. Both buttons, ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons and just don't worry about it, take a screenshot. Just keep holding those two buttons there and just wait until we get the Google logo that will appear, okay? So keep holding both buttons, still holding. It's gonna turn black soon. It just turned off. I'm still holding both buttons now. There's the Google logo. Now go ahead and let go and wait for it to boot up normally now. And there you go, we're back in business. So if it boots up and it's frozen again, just do the same thing again.